In this video, we show how to replace a PERC module in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove the PERC module with the cover, dry backplane cover, and air shrouds and the fan assembly removed, disconnect all data cables from the unroute them. Then loosen the two captive screws that secure the PERC module in place. Slide the PERC module out. You might have one more cable down here to disconnect, and you should be able to lift it out of the system. To install the PERC module, plug in power cable and then place it back on its post. Then tighten the two captive screws and secure it. And then reconnect all the data cables. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.